Hi guys, and welcome to another cleaning motivational video. Today we are I am cleaning my kitchen and my laundry room. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vani and this is Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, where I make videos to help you on your homeschooling and parenting journey. So make sure to check out the playlist and my channel and subscribe if you like what you see. A lot of times our homes can be a representation of what is on our hearts and in our minds. And in this case, the clutter that you see in my house was definitely representing all the clutter that has been in my heart and mind in this little season of my life. So today I'm hoping not just to clean up the clutter in the home, but also to work, which is going to be a process, in cleaning up the clutter in my mind and in my heart. Being a mother, and especially a homeschooling mother, there's not a lot of time for you to take care of yourself or your mental health and keep your mind in order. There's constantly children or teenagers asking for permission to do things. We still have homeschooling that needs to get done. You still are a wife and have to keep that relationship strong. And all of these things can bear on the shoulders of us as moms. So here's what I learned about taking care of myself and sometimes putting myself first when I know I need to. Number one, establishing some ground rules in the house. Oftentimes my head is in disarray because my home and the order of my home and with my children is in disarray. So whether that be chores or discipline or school or whatever it may be, whether you're a homeschooler or not, I think it's even worse when you're not a homeschooler. I have my oldest child who is in school, and that's very difficult at times because you're not there and you're not the teacher, and there's a lot that you don't know that's going on in a school, whereas in a homeschool, obviously it's completely different. So maybe making a chore chart or having a family meeting about any issues that are happening and things like that. I'll make a video next time talking about the chores and things like that, of how we are going to start establishing different house rules for you guys. But that is definitely going to be helpful in maintaining order in my home and therefore helping me mentally to deal with the things that I need to deal with. Second thing I learned about self-care is learning how to rest and take time for yourself to have downtime. Personally, I don't do this much. I have started recently where I'll sit down and do something that is relaxing and fun for me. And it's totally okay to do that. And even if you need to spend a couple of days doing it just to get your mind right so you can be best for your kids, it needs to happen. Sometimes we need to get out of the house and have dates with our girlfriends or dates with our husbands or double dates and just do something fun and exciting just for a few hours, getting a babysitter. And that is sometimes all that you need to get yourself back on track as well. Just doing something that makes you have fun, remember who you are, and put yourself in a place where you can enjoy yourself without these roles of being a mother and a housekeeper and a homeschooler. The third thing that I learned in a way to take care of myself is to be present. And, there's this whole mindfulness thing going on. Just being mindful of what you're doing, being present in the moment, trusting after praying with gratitude that God is going to take care of the things that you're stressing out about. And instead of wasting time wallowing in those thoughts and thinking about things that have passed that are hurting you or making you feel angry or disappointed, leaving all of those in prayer to the Lord for them to just resolve, if there's nothing else that you can do, is really going to be beneficial to your state of mind. We definitely have to make sure that we are working towards being present. And that means that if you're sitting down homeschooling your children, your mind is completely focused on them. If you're eating a delicious meal, savoring each bite, each taste. If you're cleaning your home, remember that you have a home. Be grateful for that home. Remember that you're cleaning it for your family. Be grateful that you have a family, that you have who you have in your life, that they're alive, that their health is the way that it is, because things could always be worse. And I know a lot of us have it worse than others, but being grateful and finding something to be grateful for is definitely going to be a big part in taking care of your mental health. So that is all the advice I have to give right now, my friends. I'm a work in progress. Continue to stand strong, take care of yourself in order to take care of your family.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
Today, everything is going in a Tupperware so that there are no pots or dirty dishes in the sink. Since everyone today is not going to eat at the same time, dinner is here, and when they're done eating, they can stick the whole Tupperware into the refrigerator and no one has to worry about dinner dishes. I am also still cleaning the kitchen while I'm cooking dinner, knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. So the reason why the laundry room is so messy is because it's also where I store all of my crafts and supplies for the homeschool co-op classes that I teach every Tuesday, and any additional things that we use in our homeschool as well.
'Cause we only want what's best for you. Best for you. For you.